Today, we review the best 5 counter-depth refrigerator that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Samsung 36 inches French door refrigerator in black stainless steel. The 36 inches Samsung RF28JBEDBSG Energy Star rated has a generous 28 cu ft capacity, and its French door style makes it easy to view food on its adjustable shelves. It has a flex zone drawer at counter height that allows you to cool food faster or even store snacks, as this drawer is designed to be kid-friendly. A water filter can be found within the refrigerator, for which replacement filters are widely available. The ice maker can make up to 10 pounds of ice per day and store up to 4.2 lb.
Number 2.
Danby DFF100C1BSLDB refrigerator. Available in 4 fabulous colors, the frost-free Danby DFF100C1BSLDB refrigerator is a compact design offering 10 cubic feet of storage space between the refrigerator and freezer. The freezer has 2 door bins, an adjustable shelf, and the refrigerator offers 3 door bins, allowing tall bottle storage, 2 glass shelves, and a crisper drawer.
Number 3.
Kenmore Smart 24 CU, featuring French door refrigerator. The Kenmore Smart 24 CU, featuring French door bottom mount refrigerator, contains a genius cool system with a linear compressor and dual evaporators to provide an ideal temperature within both the refrigerator and the freezer. There is also a charcoal filter that allows airflow to be filtered to minimize odors. You can control temperatures with the Kenmore Smart app or even through Alexa. If all that wasn't enough, this fantastic fridge also offers built-in diagnostics.
Number 4.
Samsung RF23J9011SR 22.5 cu ft French door refrigerator. The 4-door Samsung RF23J9011SR French door refrigerator in stainless steel contains a filtered ice and water dispenser with a tall opening to fill pitchers. You may need to experiment with what containers you use to collect the ice water in to minimize any leakage. The premium cooling system has 2 compressors and 3 evaporators, allowing precise temperature and humidity controls across the unit.
Number 5.
KitchenAid KRMF706 EBS French door refrigerator. The KitchenAid KRMF706 EBS refrigerator is a spacious 25.8 cubic feet capacity in a French door configuration. With a black finish and 5 soft close doors, it has pristine platinum interior design highlighted by LED lighting. Its Preserva food care system utilizes 2 independent cooling systems to help keep food fresher for longer, and with an air filter, odors are also reduced. The refrigerator has spill-resistant adjustable shelves and its own herb storage compartment.